When we think of chicken farming, industrial-scale facilities with rows of caged birds often come to mind. Yet, high in the misty mountains of China, an entirely different reality exists. One where chickens roam freely in harmony with nature. Here, millions of chickens thrive on high hills, raised with care and sustainable practices, offering superior meat and eggs. What makes this possible? How do these farmers balance tradition and innovation to raise such large numbers while maintaining quality? Join us as we explore the secrets behind Chinese mountain chicken farming. A story of ingenuity, resilience, and harmony with the land. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any exciting content from Farm Marvels. As of 2024, China's poultry industry leads the world, raising over 4.9 billion chickens, 36% of the global total. FAO 2024. Among these, millions are free-range chickens thriving in mountainous regions like Guangxi, Guizhou, and Guangdong. Yangshun County, Guangdong, is home to the famed Yangshun chicken, a breed renowned for its tricolored plumage, muscular build, and flavorful meat. These chickens roam across hundreds of hectares at altitudes between 800 and 1,500 meters, embracing a lifestyle far removed from factory farming. Free-range chickens in China live a life rooted in nature. They spend their days scratching the earth, basking under the sun, and foraging for insects. This lifestyle builds muscle, leading to lean, nutrient-rich meat that fetches premium prices in markets. Yangshun chickens, one of Guangdong's 8 most prized breeds, take 4 to 5 months to reach maturity, weighing between 2.5 to 3 kilograms. Their eggs are smaller, 40 to 45 grams, but richer in flavor, with higher levels of omega-3 and vitamins. While factory-farmed chickens can lay up to 300 eggs per year, free-range hens average just 100 to 120. The focus here is quality over quantity, prioritizing the well-being of the birds and the nutritional value of their eggs. Raising millions of chickens starts with high-quality eggs sourced from reputable hatcheries. These eggs are incubated at precise temperatures of 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit with 55 to 70% humidity, hatching after 21 days. In Minghui County, Heilongjiang Province, hatcheries have scaled up operations to meet demand, producing 400,000 chicks annually, an impressive increase from just 70,000 5 years ago. Newly hatched chicks are cared for in windproof pens lined with disinfected straw. Farmers maintain constant warmth with artificial lighting and feed the chicks a balanced diet enriched with vitamins and electrolytes. Hygiene is critical, with troughs washed twice daily and veterinary care provided as needed. At 3 weeks old, the chicks are introduced to their future diet: greens and forage from the hills. Once they're strong enough, they're released to roam the mountains, where they develop naturally, feeding on grass, insects, and local plants. In summer, grasshoppers are so abundant that additional feed is often unnecessary. Farmers in these regions have embraced modern technology to enhance their operations. Live streaming their chickens' daily activities allows them to connect with eco-conscious consumers and build an online customer base. Egg collection and sorting have also been modernized. On larger farms, eggs are lightly cleaned to preserve their natural protective layer before being sorted and packaged. Facilities in some regions can process up to 74,000 eggs daily, ensuring freshness and quality. These innovations, combined with traditional methods, make free-range farming not only sustainable, but also profitable. While caged eggs sell for $1.25 to $2 per dozen, free-range eggs fetch $3 to $4, reflecting their superior quality and ethical production. Despite its benefits, mountain chicken farming comes with challenges. Predators like hawks and foxes pose threats to the chickens. Farmers mitigate these risks by clearing dense vegetation, building sturdy fences, and monitoring the area for predator activity. Weather extremes also demand careful planning. During harsh winters or scorching summers, chickens are brought indoors, where large barns provide space for them to roam, perch, and interact naturally. When chickens reach maturity, they are carefully transported to local slaughterhouses, often during cooler hours to minimize stress. These facilities process up to 15,000 chickens per hour, employing humane practices like gas stunning to ensure the welfare of the birds. The processed chickens are meticulously cleaned and packaged, with options ranging from whole birds to portioned cuts. Their meat, known for its bright yellow hue and rich flavor, is highly sought after in local and international markets. Free-range chicken farming offers a model of sustainability and animal welfare. Studies show that free-range chickens experience 57 to 70% less stress than caged birds. Inspired by such benefits, the European Union plans to ban caged farming by 2027. A testament to the growing recognition of humane and sustainable practices. Chinese farmers in mountainous regions are leading the way, proving that traditional farming methods can thrive alongside modern technology. Their efforts not only produce superior poultry, but also preserve local ecosystems and support rural communities. The story of Chinese mountain chicken farming is one of balance between tradition and innovation, nature and technology, quality and quantity. It's a testament to what's possible when farming is done with care and respect for the land and its creatures. If this fascinating journey has inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Farm Marvels.